Hello everyone, I'm Nyan and I'm a Master Geotech student, and I have a background in IT, UAV surveying and the reality capture.
Hi everyone, I'm Mandouze. I'm an OSV Level 1 Unmanned Aerial Vehicle pilot and a Geospatial Intelligence Analyst. I'm a member of the Geoinformatics Society of Nigeria with a bachelor's degree in urban and regional planning. Currently, I'm on the prestigious Erasmus Mundus Master's Program.
Me and my colleague Doze are going to host a workshop to share our knowledge and what we have learned so far throughout our course so that we can inspire other students and share our knowledge to other students as well.
Yeah, if you're going to be at this workshop, I promise you it's really going to be mind-blowing. We're going to have hands-on experience on the use of drones. We're also going to make sure that you will also have good participation on how to fly drones. We'll teach you principles of aerodynamics, meteorology. Ground school will also teach you proper flight planning and the way weather acts on aircraft and how some of these things can impact on your data collection. If you're fascinated about all this I've said and you really think you want to have your hands on use of drone technology and drone data for applied geoinformatics, then I really want to see you in Castellón.